Okay, guys, welcome you to SKM Media 7. This is ADA Community Center. Since last 2 months, last 2 months or so, I did a video about the ADA Community Center, how the place looks like. On the festival is here, and you can see inside how people are here, came to rent out this place, and you can see for yourself. This is ADA Community Center. And Kikuo Hotel. Yes. One of the neatest, hotel in ADA so far. It's called Kikuo Hotel. Kikuo Hotel. Yes. This is Kikuo Hotel. Yeah. How are you all? So these are the workers, the chef of Kikuo Hotel and the receptionist. Okay. So how are you guys preparing for the festival?
Not too much really, but we are also inside. Okay. We are hoping to see.
So somebody who is watching this video, looking at how beautiful this place is, the person will say, will I get a place from next week going to rent out?
It's quite unfortunate that we don't have room for the upcoming festival. It's quite unfortunate we don't have room.
The place is full. So guys, you can see the community and the environment over here. This is Kikuo Hotel and the place is full. So today, if I need a room to rent today, will I get today? Yes, just for today. For today being, what's today's date? Today is 24th. So 24th of July, I can get room over here to rent. But next week, which will be 31st, I will not get room over here to rent. So guys, thank you once again. So this is Kikuo Hotel. Yes, Kikuo Hotel. You can see the preparation. People are preparing for the festival very seriously, man. Yes, you can see how prepared they are. Look at this place. This is ADA ASAFOTOFIAMI Festival. People come here, make money, and go. Once our people are sitting down here quietly, doing nothing. This is the street of hideout. Yes. This is the street of hideout. This is how quiet the place is. Next week when you come on, this place will be very busy. This place will be very busy. This is hideout. Last year, medical was here. Medical was here last year. So this is hideout. Hideout pub. This is hideout. Well, you come here, oh my God. I don't know the artists that will be coming here. I think Raskuku will be coming here. Raskuku. So here you are. So Raskuku will be here live. Let me check the date. Okay, on the 3rd. On the 3rd and 4th August, Raskuku will be here. Okay, good afternoon.